Meaning of dynamic.
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 Dynamic. The term dynamic refers to something that is characterized by constant change, activity, or progress. It can describe a system, process, or person that adapts and evolves over time rather than remaining static. The concept of dynamics is fundamental to many fields, including physics, biology, economics, and psychology. In general, dynamism is associated with vitality, growth, and transformation. Embracing a dynamic approach can lead to innovation, creativity, and success in various domains. Therefore, being dynamic means being open to change, willing to learn, and committed to improvement.